Do you want to make a children's toy with your own hands? With the help of my masterclass, you can easily sew such cute toys, even if you have never held a needle and thread. The masterclass contains detailed textual instructions with explanatory photos. The information is divided into specific steps, following which even a beginner will be able to cope with the task. You can sew such a toy for your child or make an unusual gift, or you just a creative person who has long wanted to try to create handmade products, but did not know where to start. In all these cases, my masterclass will be perfect for you. I am sure that you will enjoy the process, and subsequently, the pleasure to see with what joy your child plays with the toy that you have made yourself. Perhaps this very work will inspire you to create something more, and you will plunge headlong into this wonderful world of handmade. So don't put it off for later. Get my masterclass right now.